Very good morning, students. Children, today I am going to teach you the poem The Roads Not Taken. First two stanzas today I am going to explain. So, open your English literature books to poem The Road Not Taken, page number 104. 104. Let's open page number 104. The Road Not Taken. Poet Robert Frost. Robert Frost was an American, well-known American poet. He wrote his first poem was My Butterfly. He won 4 Pulitzer Prizes in his lifetime. Now come to the poem. There are 4 stanzas. 1, 2, 3, 4. And each stanza has equal number of lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stanzas always have equal number of lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all the 4 paragraphs have 5 lines. Equal number of lines. Today I will explain you two paragraphs. Today I am going to explain you. First paragraph. 2 roads diverge in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveler, long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth. The poet says that there were 2 roads in the forest. In the yellow wood refers forest. So in the forest there were 2 roads. Poet feels very sorry because he cannot travel both the roads. He cannot travel to both roads. He can only travel to one road at a time. Being a traveler, he stood there for a long time. For a long time, he stood there, determining which way to continue traveling. He stood there for a long time and decided which way he has to choose. He left the first road, then come to the second stanza, then took the other as just as fair and having perhaps the bitter claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, thou as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. The poet decides to take the other road. The poet decided to take the road between 2 roads. He decided to take the other road. And how other road? The poet wants to be fair and choose the correct option. In the second stanza, the poet decides to take the other. Poet explains that he decided to take the other road. The poet wants to be fair and choose the correct option. The poet describes that may be better because it has fresh grass grown on it and was not used much. The poet decides to choose the other road because it may be better, because he describes that it may be better to choose because it has fresh grasses grown on the road and the road was not much used by the travelers. वहाँ से ज़्यादा travelers other roads से उसको लगा कि नहीं पास हुए हैं. That's why he chose the second road, other road. He started traveling. Then he started traveling on it and he found that travelers have passed through this road just as much as the other. He decided to he chosen the second road, and when he started traveling on it, he found that travelers have passed through the road just as much as the other. Okay. उसे लगा कि सेकेंड रोड से ज़्यादा ट्रैवलर्स पास नहीं हुए होंगे, दैट्स वाई चोजन द सेकेंड रोड. लेकिन जब उसने ट्रैवल करना शुरू किया तो उसने फाउंड किया कि वहाँ से भी बहुत सारे ट्रैवलर्स पास हुए हैं. जैसे कि उसको लगा था कि फर्स्ट रोड से पास हुए होंगे बहुत से ट्रैवलर्स, दैट वाई ही लेफ्ट द फर्स्ट रोड. मगर जब वो चलने लगा तो उसको लगा कि दोनों रोड सेम हैं, दोनों रोड से ट्रैवलर्स क्या हुए हैं, पास हुए हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, now note down your homework in your diaries. Open your diaries and note down today's homework. Your today's homework: learn the word meanings of the poem The Road Not Taken. Okay, clear? Children, note down the homework in your classwork diaries. Tomorrow I will explain you the third and the fourth stanza of the poem. Okay, clear? Thank you.